everybody, welcome back to Free Friday. Jason Ricci here, broadcasting not quite live, but Wednesday for your Friday from the front porch of New Orleans, Louisiana. Just chilling out here, and I was thinking, what am I going to teach this week, right? And I just started blowing. Sometimes that's what I do. If I'm looking for something to teach, I just start playing. And sometimes I come up with ideas of something I think would be cool. Now check this out. We've done a lot of vamps. Some people have been asking for busking videos. What do I say about busking? Get a groove. Get a groove going. Doesn't really matter the songs. It's good to be able to take requests. It's always good to know songs. But what do people really want? They want to start dancing before they even know they're dancing. You're playing out there on the street. And they're walking, and they're looking in chops, and they're looking around, and then they don't even know it, but they just start moving like this. The AC repairman was easy. He's here fixing our AC. Luckily, it's not too hot out, but it's a good time for the AC to break. Of course, it's broke 3 times in a row, but all right now is better. It's still beautiful, beautiful weather here in New Orleans. But they want to groove. The people want to groove. They're out there jamming, they're moving, and then they notice you, and then you're jamming with them, and then next thing you know, money's in the bucket. You're going to do a lot better doing that than you are playing whatever hits that they might know, right? Believe it or not, they just want to be happy. They don't really want to be impressed. They want to feel happy. You want to provide the background music for their lives. And if you're not even out there busking, you're just playing for you, just put the background music for your own life. Something easy. So today is going to be super, super easy. That's what we're doing, right? All right. Some good views in the neighborhood right now. So, just 2 times inhale. That's the main thing we're doing. So I'm putting my mouth over holes 1, 2, 3, and 4. All right, and then that other lick is 1 draw, 2 blow, 2 draw. So da da bo do da 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 bo do da 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 bo do da ba da bo do da. That's it, right? That's it. You can speed it up. Ooh, okay, so now we're starting to have some fun. Okay, so one of the things I like to do too is sometimes I like to hit that 3 blow instead of the 2 draw, or I don't like that sound of 2 blow, 2 draw, 2 blow again. If you relate to me, or you don't know what I'm talking about, go check out my video, Don't Be a Harmonica Donkey. It's linked below. So what I do to avoid that is I hit 2 blow, 3 blow, 2 blow. It's kind of prettier. And it's also kind of quicker. You can still use 2 draw, right? It's just you're just using that to as a gliss. Yeah, fun. All right, so let's get back to the lick. So we just added that little 3 draw in there. Let's keep it, right? And now you can just experiment. So you can just take any notes in the world, any notes from the blues scale, any notes from the chromatic scale, any notes from the major pentatonic scale, major scale, almost any notes you want to, really, and you just start throwing them in there where you got space. Da-da, bo-do-da, ba-da, put a lick in there, da-da, bo-do-do, ba-da, put something there, da-da, bo-do-do, ba-da, meow, 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 ba-da, bo-do-do, ba-da, just like that. Let's do it. Delicious. We'll do it, but not at the price of the cigar going out. Here we go. Very Gussow, very Mr. Gussow. Shout out, Mr. Gussow, Adam Gussow. Yeah, thank you, sir. Thank you, sir. Wow, them birds is crazy. The lizard's getting crazy too. Wildlife in New Orleans going nuts. You know what I was digging right there? I was playing like one lick from like the major pentatonic and then one lick from like the blues scale or minor pentatonic in between our vamp. You could even substitute different notes instead of the one draw, two blow, two blow. You could make it a little darker with a one draw, two double bend, two draw. There's a sweetness in this Sumatra after a few years of sitting that is very, very desirable. So instead of that, I could just hit like a bend. all of that. Da-da, bo-doo-da. It's about the groove, right? It's about this, right? Even without the other lick. That's what it is. Free Friday. Ba-da, bo-doo-doo, ba-da.